Hi guys, how to download Yandere Simulator on PC. Now open your web browser and type yanderesimulator.com directly into the address bar, not the search bar. This small mistake sends many people to fake download sites, so pay close attention. Click the download option on the homepage, then scroll down. Keep scrolling, it's further than you think. Why explain? And click the download launcher button to get the zip file. Don't click any ads that say download now. Open the downloaded zip file in File Explorer and click the Extract All button. Here's the secret tip. Make sure to check the box that says Show Extracted Files when complete, so you don't waste time hunting for them later. Open the extracted folder, run the installation file, and click the Install button. This step only takes a minute. I'd also keep watching because step 5 shows how to launch the game correctly. Once the installation finishes, the game is ready to use. Click the desktop shortcut or open the app from your start menu to start playing. Hit subscribe for more game setup guides and comment below if you want me to cover the best settings for smoother gameplay.